Welcome to Learn Simply. In this video, you will learn about pronoun and types of pronoun. Pronoun is used in place of specific noun mentioned earlier in a sentence, so that you don't have to keep saying or writing that particular noun. Example: John is a good boy. He plays cricket. Teacher evaluated answer papers. She evaluated every answer strictly. Types of pronoun: subject pronoun, object pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, intensive pronoun, relative pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun. Subject pronoun are subject of the verb in a sentence. A subject pronoun normally replaces the subject or object or a noun of the previous sentence. Example: John can't play cricket today. He has gone to his friend's home. Mary is a good artist. She sang a song. Object pronoun. Object or indirect object in a sentence replacing the antecedent object. This form of pronoun is also used after preposition. Example: tell her that you will bring the cake. Give it to your brother. Possessive pronoun replaces the nouns of possessive adjectives. My, our, your, her, his, their. The possessive pronouns are mine, ours, yours, hers, his, its, theirs. Example: I lost my bat. School attendant found one, which was mine. Here, mine refers to my bat. Reflexive pronoun redirects a sentence or a clause back to the subject, which is also the direct object of that sentence. A reflexive pronoun comes when the subject performs its action upon itself. Here, itself is a reflexive pronoun. Example: since she is her daughter, she gave herself a chance. Here, herself is the direct object of the clause and the same person is the subject. The phone restarts itself. Intensive pronouns add emphasis or importance but do not act as the object in the sentence. They can appear right after the subject. Example: she will do it herself. Here, herself is not an object. I myself saw the thief running. Relative pronoun introduces the relative clause. They are used to make clear what is being talked about in a sentence. They describe something more about the subject or object. Example: I like the painting, which is my career too. John plays cricket, who also won the last match. Demonstrative pronoun indicate the closeness of or distance from the speaker, either literally or symbolically. This, these, that, and those are the demonstrative pronouns. They also work as demonstrative adjectives when they modify a noun. However, demonstrative pronouns do not modify anything, rather replace the nouns or noun phrases. Example: that is my dress. This is my pencil. Interrogative pronoun asks questions. They are what, which, who, whom, and whose. Example: what was the name of your dog? Which is your favorite movie? In next video, you will learn about definition of adjective and types. For detailed explanation with notes and for other tutorial videos, you can visit our website www.learnsimply.com. Also get connected with us on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be updated with our next upcoming tutorial video. Thank you for watching. Please let us know your comments in the below section.